Countable nouns are things you can count one by one. They have singular and plural forms. 1 book, 3 books, 1 car, 4 cars. You can use a or an before singular countable nouns. A cat, an orange. You can use numbers or the words many, a few, or several with them. A few students, many flowers, several chairs. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count one by one. They usually refer to substances, liquids, ideas, or abstract things that don't have separate individual units. Uncountable nouns don't have plural forms. We treat them as singular. Example: water, milk, rice, sugar, salt, money, information, advice, furniture, and music. We don't use a or an with them. We use words like some, much, a little, or a lot of instead. To count them, use containers or units. If we want to make them countable, we add a measure word. Example: a glass of water, a cup of coffee, a slice of bread, a bottle of milk.